Hey guys, this is Dave. I am back with a beast. I gotta show this thing to you. It's amazing. This is the 9 amp hour battery. It's so awesome. It's 20 volt, 60 volt, and it is on the brushless 60 volt DeWALT saw. This thing is rad. So the DCS 389 60 volt max cordless reciprocating saw, it is incredible. Okay, so the kit, real overview, comes with a charger, of course, 6 amp charger. And then this is, you absolutely want to keep this handy. Keep that in your bag. When you're done with your workday, slide this on top. What it does is it turns it into 3 separate batteries. I'll show you what I mean real quick. I'm so stoked about that. It means I can travel with my kit. Hold on. So, to travel, you're not allowed to bring anything this big, right? So this is the DCB 609. And so when you ship it, do you see how it says use? Here, let me use my fingers. So it's a 9 amp hour, 3 amp hour, and that means when you use it, here it is. It's 180 watt hours. But when you ship it, it's 3 60 watt hour batteries. And this is why. It's got this travel thing. So slide that on. You see it locks into place, right? Like it's on there. It's now broken this up into 3 battery packs. So you can have this as 3 20 volt battery packs for the sake of traveling. This can go on the airplane with you. So take that off. Slide it into your beautiful tool, by the way. It's got a nice light on the front. I don't know if I can do this. There we go. So here's the 60 volt brushless recip, right? This is the reciprocating saw to end all saws. Of course, it's got the swivel foot and then the quick release, just like you're used to. So you just lift that up and you switch out your blade, and the blade can go either way. They include that blade, and it's got a lock, unlock. So let's unlock it, and then here it is. So I want to do something fun, but the blade is short. But you can just see that this thing is incredible, right? I'm not in proper safety gear right now, but I mean, look at that. I'm not going to go a whole lot further. But if for some reason you had a notch, the stumps in your yard, easy peasy, right? And then you put a proper long blade on that. Holy cow. So this is a great demo blade if you're pulling across, pulling apart walls or whatever. And then if you happen to not know how to get your couch apart and you're trying to get rid of it, let me see if you can, I don't know if you can see this. There it is. So let's see if we can, I don't know what's holding it. So let's just see if we can get in there. Oh, there's the bracket. Oh, shoot. This is gonna be easier than we thought. There's the bracket. So, I guess it's anticlimactic because the recip saw, well, the recip saw makes it so you can find the bracket that holds your couch together. But do you guys want to see it? Let's just cut it because we can, right? Oh, one-handed. Oh, I just bent it. Sorry, guys. I can't do this one-handed. Not quite strong enough. Here, hold on. All right, let me get the 2 hands on this. We got it back. Let's see if we can cut that bracket. Well, it's already kind of cut. Hold on. I'll be right back. Well, wait for a second. Yep. You guys, I'm gonna hurt myself. Hey, it'll cut that bracket. But that blade, I just killed it. So it's a heavy tool. It's not lightweight, but it's not supposed to be. It's a 60 volt, right? So if you're looking for a beast, it's brushless, so it'll run a long time. I haven't tested how long it'll run, but oh, there's that little light. You see it? Let's see if we can light it up for you. There's your work. And then to release the blade, because you destroyed it, you just pull that side, and then see if I can do it with one hand. I can't. There we go. So easy peasy. Of course, it'll take a blade either direction. Sorry guys, I need like a head mount or a tripod, but that's it. That is the biggest, baddest recip saw on the planet, and just happens to be cordless. And if you're a travel contractor, the fact that you can fly it, that's a really big deal. Being able to put it on the plane with you and go. So DeWALT has a nice tool. I need more hours with it. I like to shoot it right when it's new because it's clean and it looks really pretty. But I'll use two hands and get some time with it. But I am delighted with that tool. I was so excited to see it. It's awesome. So this will be, this is the one that makes it so you don't need to have a cord for your recip saw when you're doing heavy duty stuff. This is actually the saw that will make it fly. So DeWalt's up the game on battery powered chainsaws, and now they're doing it with the recip saw. So good saw. Comes with a bag and a charger. I mean, it's everything you need. It's brushless. It's so cool. This is so cool.